Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Render. For the past several days, Render was moving inside an ascending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then unfortunately we have broken down this support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you these two breakouts, which are already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from a very long-term down channel. And recently it has also broken out this rising wedge pattern as well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far Render has rallied more than 2,868%. And now, still, there is a huge probability that it may continue this rally to the upside because it has broken out a very long-term resistance of another rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Render that I shared on 27th of Feb 2024 with my members almost a week ago. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Render was forming on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And you can see it was about to enter the buying zone. It was moved very close to this buying zone. But if I play this chart, then without entering the buying zone, it pumped very well, but could not enter here. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal setup on 15th of Feb 2024. And this was harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that was formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was more than 72% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, we caught almost 111% pump. And this signal I shared on 9th of November 2023. And at that time, it was completing the final leg of a Gartley pattern on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade setup, a buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, you can see that the price in first dropped down, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very massive reversal and it rallied more than 111%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Render, and recently Render has broken down this ascending triangle. You can see that since after 21st of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this ascending triangle. And you can see we were testing their support more than the resistance. That was another indication that eventually it can break down the support. Now, if we take a look at the target for this breakdown, then target to the downside can be here. The technical target that will be approximately at $6.27. But here we have a very strong support, approximately at $6.68. That is the previous resistance of the wedge. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that here we have the previous resistance of the wedge that is broken out on the 7 days time frame chart. And slightly below that resistance, we have another support that is at $6.50 that has been previously working as a very strong resistance here. And that can also work as a nice support this time. But in my point of view, after breaking down this triangle, there is a probability that the price end may retest the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and then it may start the next move to the upside to continue this rally to the upside. And by the way, this rally was begun here when we broke out this previous channel in the month of October 2022. And when it was moving inside this channel, even in those days, I've been telling you that once Render will be able to break out this channel, then we can expect a massive rally. The technical target can be here at the top of the channel between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price end has already hit that target. And now if we take a look at the target for this recent breakout from this rising wedge pattern, that move is bad if it's still due. That is here. And that target can be approximately at $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.